First order of business in Tokyo, Don Quijote. It is like a huge department store where you can buy Japanese makeup, skincare, souvenirs, and of course, different flavored Kit Kats. Day 1 is about shopping and visiting parks in Tokyo. Ueno Park is best during spring season because it will be covered with cherry blossoms. Now we are going to Takashita Street where you can find Harajuku. Harajuku is the most popular shopping street in Tokyo. During weekends, you can see a lot of cosplayers in the area. One of my favorite shops here is Wigo because everything's very kawaii. Kawaii is cute in Japanese. They have very stylish and colorful clothes and accessories. They also have collaborations with different popular brands like Fila. You can also find Style Nanda here, a very popular Korean brand. This is another Wigo store. There are actually 3 Wigos in this street. Another park that you can find in Tokyo is the Meji Shrine where you can find the famous sake barrels. Shibuya Crossing is said to be the busiest intersection in the world. During peak times, it is said that around 3,000 people cross from all directions at once. Too much people for an introvert like me, so not my favorite part. We were supposed to have dinner here at Ichiran, but look at the line. So no thanks. That's it for shopping and park day at Tokyo. See you on the next one!